Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that can truly revolutionize your recovery routine, the TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 Foam Roller. We found this product online and have added the link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the TriggerPoint Grid 1.0? This is not just any foam roller, it's a thoughtfully designed multi-density massage roller that measures 13 inches in length. Its unique construction features a patented foam roller design, combining a superior exterior with a rigid, hollow core. This means it provides the right amount of firmness and support, allowing you to dig deep into those sore muscles and release tension effectively. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this foam roller a must-have for anyone serious about muscle recovery. First off, the multi-density exterior is designed to mimic the hands of a therapist. This means you get a similar experience to a deep tissue massage right at home. The roller is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring that it won't break down or lose its shape even after repeated use. That long-lasting durability is crucial, especially for those who use it regularly in their fitness routines. In addition to its physical design, the TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 comes with access to a free online instructional video library. This resource is a game-changer for anyone new to foam rolling or looking to enhance their technique. The experts at TriggerPoint guide you through best practices, ensuring you maximize the benefits of your rolling sessions. So, who is this foam roller suitable for? The answer is quite broad. Whether you're an athlete looking to improve performance, a fitness enthusiast aiming for better recovery, or someone dealing with tight, sore muscles from everyday activities, this foam roller can serve you well. It's trusted by physical and massage therapists, coaches, and trainers, making it a reliable choice for individuals of all fitness levels. Let's explore some practical use cases. For athletes, incorporating the TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 into your routine can be a game changer. Pre-workout, it helps to warm up the muscles, enhancing blood flow and flexibility. Post-workout, it's perfect for alleviating tightness and soreness, helping to speed up recovery. If you're someone who spends long hours sitting at a desk, using the foam roller on your back, hips, and legs can help relieve tension that builds up throughout the day. It's also great for anyone recovering from an injury, as it promotes circulation and can aid in healing the muscles and connective tissues. Whether you're rolling out your IT bands, calves, or upper back, the TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 adapts to your body's needs, allowing you to target key areas effectively. It's compact enough to take with you on the go, whether that's to the gym, a sports event, or even on vacation. You can easily fit it into your bag and ensure you stay on top of your recovery wherever you are. In summary, the TriggerPoint Grid 1.0 foam roller is a well-designed, durable, and effective tool for muscle recovery and mobility improvement. It's suitable for a wide range of users, from elite athletes to everyday individuals looking to relieve muscle tension. With access to instructional videos and a trusted reputation among professionals, it's definitely worth considering for your fitness arsenal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.